Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin. Today is Wednesday, May 5th, 2021, and what we're going to see today it's a little bit of what we saw yesterday and something new. So, yesterday we were talking about ancient Egypt, about the pyramids, the vocabulary, the Nile River, and all that. Let's remind you a little about the vocabulary. We have Egypt, pyramids, pharaoh, sphinx, tomb, coffin, mummy, mummification, Nile, Ra, desert, or desert. No, desert is the desert and all that. We also have the hieroglyphics, the pharaoh, the pyramids, the Tutankhamun, that it was a old pharaoh, the amulet, and all that. So, what we're going to learn tomorrow, it's about their laws and rules. But first we need to know what are rules and laws. Do you know? Do you know what is a rule or and law? What's the difference between the rule and law? Well, then I'm going to explain to you. Rules and laws. Rule is something that you follow in order to keep you and others safe. But a law, it's a rule that everyone in a community must obey. A community can be Mexico, can be Ensenada, can be Baja California. That's communities, the world and all that. So that's the difference. A rule is something that you follow in order to keep you safe and others safe. And a law, it's a rule that everyone in a community must obey. But if you still have questions, let's see this video.
This is my community. A community is a place where a group of people live together. There are communities everywhere on Earth. There are small communities and large communities too. Communities have some things in common, but each one is different and special too. Let's learn all about communities. In every community, people have to follow rules. Grown-ups and kids too. For example, there are rules to obey when you board the school bus. One person at a time makes getting on the bus safe. In your classroom, you probably have to raise your hand if you'd like to speak in class. That's a rule that makes it fair for everyone to have a turn. Playgrounds have rules too. Playground rules make it fair for everyone to play and stay safe. Every community has rules too. Our government leaders make rules for everyone in the community to follow. The rules of a community are called laws. Some laws help to make it safe for people who live in a community. For example, when grown-ups drive a car, they have to follow the rules of the road. They have to stop for a red light. They have to follow the speed limit signs. That's the law. On the street, there are signs that tell people what they can and cannot do when they're driving. It's a law that everyone wears seatbelts when riding in a car. Seatbelts keep you safe. It's a law in most communities that you have to wear a helmet when you ride a bicycle. It's for your own safety. Following rules and laws is part of being a good citizen. A citizen is a person who lives in a community and has certain rights and duties.
So yeah, as you can see, one of the main differences between rule and law is that rules are for specific places. For example, a classroom, a park, the movie theater, the mall, a playground, all that. Meanwhile, law it's all the community, all the places, and for everybody. But let's talk more about this tomorrow. So thank you for watching the video. Have a very nice day, and have a good day.